Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will invite Engineer Wang to explain the startup operation useful information. About motor direction. After the EPS package machine is installed, check the direction of the motor to ensure that the impeller of the motor rotates correctly. Friendly remind: especially when using the EPS package machine for the first time, test each button in manual mode to ensure that there is no problem in manual mode before operating in automatic mode. About working compressor air pressure. The EPS packaging machine required stable compressor air pressure, 6 bar. After the machine connects with compressor air, the push plate cylinder or press-down cylinder can automatically receive in position. Precondition for normal operation of the machine. First, the machine has been reset. Second, the sealing temperature has reached to the setter temperature. Tips: when the sealing knife or push plate is not in the initial position, the system reset button will display red color. When the temperature has not reached to set temperature, the manual seal button will display red color. Both buttons need to be displayed in green color before the machine can be used normally. About reset button. There are 2 places on the machine where you can quickly reset the machine, which are blue reset button on the electronic control box, system reset button on the touchscreen. When the machine switches from the manual mode to automatic mode, press the system reset button or long press the blue reset button. The machine can quickly reset. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.